Most of us know this melody as Harivarasanam, but its original name is Hariharatmajashtakam, an 8-verse ode to the son of Hari, Vishnu, and Hara, Shiva. Traditionally sung as the Urakkapattu or a lullaby at Shabarimala, it marks the moment the temple closes and the Lord rests, trying to capture that divine silence today.
Swamiye Sharanamayappa Harivarasanam Vishwamohanam Hariradishwaram Aradhya Padukam Arivimartanam Nityanartanam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanakirtanam Bhaktamanasam Bharanalolupam Nartanalasam Arunabasuram Bhutanayakam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Pranaya Satyakam Prananayakam Pranatakalpakam Suprabhanchitam Pranamamandiram Kirtanapriyam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Turagavahanam Sundarananam Varagadayudam Vedavarnitam Guru Krupakaram Kirtanapriyam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Tribhuvanarchitam Devatatmakam Trinayanapradam Divyadeshikam Tridashapujitam Chintatapradam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Bhavabhayapmaham Bhavukavakam Bhuvanamohanam Budhibhushanam Dhavalavahanam Divyavaranam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Kalamrudusmitam Sundarananam Kalabakomalam Gatramohanam Kalabakesari Vajivahanam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Shitajanapriyam Chintatapradam Shruti Vibhushanam Sadhu Jivanam Shruti Manoharam Geetalalasam Hariharatmajam Devamashraye Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Sharanamayappa Swami Sharanamayappa Swamiye Sharanamayappa